Okay, so let's go ahead and put in some of these signals. So when you receive the signals, they'll be in a spreadsheet form. The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that the chart that you're looking at matches the numbers that you're looking at, and go ahead and select new order. Boom. Go ahead and pull up the new order, and then it's as simple as taking the entry price. Oh, I lied to you guys. My bad. So first you want to make sure that you have the correct entry type. So this over here is a buy stop entry type. So under type, we want to make sure that we have buy stop selected. Now when we come to the entry price, now we want to copy, paste. Come to the stop loss, we copy, we paste. Wow. Come to the take profit, we copy, we paste. Wow. We come over and we check the risk per lot. Make sure all the numbers line up. Place it. Now we will go ahead and check to ensure yes, the risk per lot is accurate. Boom, moving forward. Now we're at the CAD yen. Same thing. This is a sell limit. So now we're going to click new order. We're going to select the order type. In this case, we're going to have a pending order sell limit. And then again, take that entry price, copy it, paste it. Take that stop loss, copy it, paste it. Take that take profit, copy that thing, go and paste that thing. Paste it, make sure everything line up. It should, you just copy and paste it. We're trying to make it brain dead over here. So it's 447 is the risk. Let's go ahead and check the risk. Show yourself. 448. We'll take it. Moving forward, we got the Australian US dollar. New order. Bow. We need a buy limit. So we'll switch from a market type to a buy limit type. We're finding this right here. The entry price, go ahead and copy that. Paste that. The initial stop loss, copy that. Paste that. And then finally the take profit, copy that. Paste that. Place the order. 550, where we at? Show yourself. 550. And that's that. There you did. That's under 3 minutes. And it's going to take you way shorter when you get used to it. And you're going to be far more efficient if you're not explaining it to someone. Enjoy.